Oh yeah, nice. We were at Greenwich Lake, New Jersey. I've been here a lot of times. So the first time my son gonna go here. Actually, my second time, my son's gonna come here. I catch a lot of fish here, especially bullfin. They say that they're stuck at the trout. I saw somebody catching a big trout. So yeah, hopefully we're gonna catch a big one, so I can have something to show you guys. A bullfin, snakehead, crabby, sunny is here. Like almost everything is here. So yeah, place over there, you see, there's a lot of swamp stuff. And you can bring your dog here. They stock it with a lot of trout. That's what I'm looking for right now. I don't know how to catch a trout. I never catch a trout, especially on the lake. I catch a trout on the creek, but not on the lake. It's supposed to be big here, hopefully. Well, see you when we get there. Ladies and gentlemen, yeah, this is the lake. There's a creek over there. It's all connected. There's a small lake over there, as you can see. And the big one is all the way down there. Yeah, to my spot is like right beside almost beside the freeway. That's my spot. I catch a crappie here, a big one. I'm gonna show you the picture. And I caught bullfin there, big one. I'll show you the picture. And another one, I catch not bullfin. My dad catch a catfish, big one. And certainly there's bass over here, but my twin brother just got a big one. And there's my friend right there. Sup, bro? He's been here since 7 o'clock. So unfortunately he's not fishing where my spot is at. So that's why he's not catching anything. Okay, so I'll show you when we get there. It's pretty far walk. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see this. There's a nest under the surface and the mama is guarding it. That's why it's a lot of fish here. Look at it. It's all over the place. They're not going nothing. Alright, so the place we're gonna go is my spot. Today I'm bringing my boy. So we're gonna go my spot. I don't believe in my dead spot over here. I think it's too shallow. My side is all the way down until you cannot go no more. It's a nice spot under the tree. That's where I catch my big fish. Right here I catch guppies. Like sunny, it's like the one that you see. Oh, look at that. A lot of them. Oh, millions. All over the side. And we got another one right here. We got like, weedless. You can surely fish over here. And big too, man, over here, man. There's big fish over here. I know, but my dad catch catfish from this side and bring him over there. That's all I know. It's big one. Oh, it's a lot. Oh. Okay, I cannot go. Okay, in case you guys don't know, this is poison ivy. See how there's only 3 leaves, and the leaf is not really, it's kind of crazy looking. There's some like that. There's some like this. This is all poison ivy. 3 leaves. And oh, my friend just grabbed a crappie. Oh, Professor of the day. Nice crappie.
Yeah, those black crappie spawning. You know what black is?
Yeah.
Those are spawning.
And there he goes. Yeah, nice one. I'm looking for a trout. If I get trout, big ones, that's what I'm wishing for. Or anything big, please. Oh yeah, oh yeah. My son just got a turtle. Look like a slider. It's inside the net. It gets a closer look.
What?
Oh, crap. Oh, it's not a slide. It's an entire slider.
What?
It's a snapper.
Yeah, I knew it was a snapper.
You on YouTube, man.
Okay.
Wow, look at that. Nice.